Hey guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing in my bag for a flight. I am going to be traveling for the first time by plane, and I am taking my daughter with me, and so I have like my carry-on bag right here, and I just thought it would be helpful to share the things that I'm gonna pack and bring for the flight. Um, like I said, have never flown before, so I have no idea what to expect, especially with a toddler. So, I really thought about what to bring and like all that because I want to make it as pleasant as possible. Um, just because, like, I mean, the flight is 3 hours, plus you have like the time at the airport we have to check in and all that stuff. So, it's gonna be like a long day for her. And so I just basically wanted to try to make it as fun as possible. So, like I said, I just thought it'd be super helpful to see what someone's going to pack in their bag. And maybe if you have a flight planned, then this might help you, especially if you have a toddler. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna show you my bag that I'm bringing. This is my diaper bag. I don't necessarily use this a whole lot anymore because Nova's potty trained, so a lot of her things I just throw in my purse. And I do have like a pretty big size purse that I carry every day. So that seems to carry everything that we need. But for stuff like this, this is exactly why I wanted a backpack diaper bag, is because like this thing's pretty big and it can carry a ton. So this is the Itsy Ritsy backpack diaper bag. And they're regular, they have like small little mini diaper bag backpacks too. And then they also have like a diaper bag that looks like a bag, like a rectangle shaped bag, but it also has straps on it. So that's pretty cool too. Okay, so in the bag, so when you first open, I love this bag too because it unzips all the way down. So you could like literally, and I've showed this backpack before in the Disneyland, like when I was bringing to Disneyland, because I brought this to Disneyland. So it kind of comes out like this, so you can see everything in there like super easy, and I really love that. So in this first pocket right here, what I have are the essentials, which are masks, and I got these. My daughter right now is obsessed with Barbie, so I got these little Barbie masks for her. And then just like disposable regular masks for myself. So like I said, I put those in that front pocket so they're super easy to like grab for like the time being. So then the next thing that I have in the top is just a blanket. I just took a regular little baby blanket, rolled it up just so that it's in there if she needs it. I know that some people say that planes can be cold, so I just thought better safe than sorry. And then the next thing down is this bag, and it looks like there's like a ton of candy in there, which there is kind of a lot, but there's like some other snacks in here, and my daughter really likes these. These are the Yum Earth, the organic like lollipops. So they're a little bit better of a choice. And then I did get a couple of those caramel apple ones. Those I thought would be good because Nova will bite the candy, the hard candy, and then it's gone like super fast. So I thought those would be good to kind of like take longer to eat and hopefully entertain her longer. And then I'm going to bring these cards. She loves these cards with like the touch and feel cards. And obviously this one's animals. We have like the farm. We have colors and shapes. We have a bunch of them. I'm going to bring these in my carry-on, and then I am going to bring one more for like while we're on our trip, just in case she gets bored with these. Just as something to do. This bag is like all of my stuff. This is like all the stuff that I regularly carry in my purse, like extra makeup, hand wipes, just in case. Thieves, like this is like to spray on surfaces. So I plan on spraying this on the seats and like wiping it down. I know that like right now they're like extra cautious, but I am just a little concerned about what kind of chemical is on the seat. So I just want to like kind of get rid of that before we sit down. This is like a little travel brush, some spray hand sanitizer. And then just like I said, like the girly stuff, tampons, makeup, bobby pins, hair ties, just, you know, the random stuff that you might need on the go. And definitely, if anybody is flying with a toddler and there's anything that I'm missing, please let me know, because I'd love to know, because like I said, I've never flown even myself before, let alone with a toddler, so we're winging it, you know? Okay, and then this bag, this is like the little itsy bitsy cube bags, or like packing cubes, I think they're called. And in this one, I'm just bringing like chargers. And so I have like charger cord. Then I have like my little earphone things, headphones, earphones. And then these I got for Nova because they go over her ears and they like fold up, super cool. They click out, and these are like the sound, like noise control, so she can't like turn it way up and hurt her ears. They can be like Bluetooth, like wireless, or they have a cord that you can connect to like whatever they're using them with. So I thought these would be really handy, and it just comes in this bag, and in here is just like the charging cord and then like the little adapter cord if you need to plug it in, which on a plane you do have to have, like that's why I got these, is because they don't want like noise and all that. So I did get those for her. And then the next little bag down, like obviously I like to be super organized, just makes things so much easier. I put in here this little thing that I got for her. It's just like a little somewhat quiet toy that she can mess with. She has something similar to this that I got when we went to Disneyland, and it's, I think it's called a Pop-It or something, and it's a round circle, it's yellow, and it's got a bunch of tiny little kind of silicone dots like this that you press back and forth, and she really likes it. She thinks that thing is cool. So instead of bringing something like that she's already seen and she's kind of used to, and it's not going to hold her attention as long, I saw this and I thought it would be cool because it's similar to that, but still different and new. She's never played with this before. And then I got her 2 different ones of these water wows, because I do plan on taking water with us on the plane. So this will be perfect. I can put a little water in here and she can paint. She really loves animals right now. So this one has the animals, and then she loves makeup and all things girly. So this is like makeup and manicures. And so she's really gonna like these. She caught a little sneak peek of these earlier when I was packing the bag, and she was like, oh, I want that, like I want to do that. And then in the little side pocket here, I just put a change of clothes just in case she spills or has an accident. She is potty trained, so I just put some of her underwear, pants, and like a shirt, because you just never know, and I would rather have too much than not enough. And then right here, just put these little trash bags, just because I'm sure we'll have like little bits of trash, and if anything is messy, then we'll do, you know, I'll have that. And then in the top like zipper pocket is just where I have my wallet and keys, and that's it. I am also, one thing I just realized that I forgot to throw in here is like wipes, just for like wiping hands. I mean, I brought that candy, so I'm sure she'll be a little sticky, and that'll like definitely be good. Oh, and then also my sunglasses, I put those in like the front pocket. And then this has just hand sanitizer and an opened one of these. Like I have a couple of these obviously, so I brought the one that's open. And I put that right here in this front pocket, so I could just like grab it really quick and spray away. So that is pretty much it. That's all I have in here. I think I'm pretty well covered as far as everything goes, because I'm, you know, gonna have like waters and stuff like that, which I guess you can't get. They're not gonna let you bring that on until after you go through like the security thing. So I do plan on, after I go through security and all as well, then I'm going to grab some bottles of water for sure and bring those on. And I think that's it. Like, it's not that long of a flight. It's 3 hours. So, I don't think we're gonna need like a ton. Oh, hello. And I forgot one more thing, which is to Nova, the most important thing of all. And that's like in the back zipper right here. I have her little tablet. So, this thing is so cool because obviously you can do games, you can do movies, YouTube, you can do so many things on here. So this is the one that she has. It's the Amazon Free Time, and it's the newer one, so it is pretty big. Like I think this is one is the 10, because it's like, I feel like I'm pretty sure it's a 10-inch. The other ones are 7s, and the screen is definitely smaller. So those are great also for travel, especially because they are smaller. But this is the one that we have and she uses all the time. So on here I do have, like I said, movies on here. It comes with a ton of games and like stuff for kids to do, which is awesome. And then she does do YouTube. And I heard that you can get Wi-Fi on the plane, like you can pay for it. So I do plan to do that, so that she can watch YouTube videos and she can watch movies. I did like download some movies to her tablet just in case for some reason there's not Wi-Fi, then there's still stuff she can do. And what's cool about the Amazon Free Time tablets is that there's a lot of things on there that are like downloaded to it that you don't need internet access for. So that's definitely a plus, especially if you're gonna be traveling in the car and you don't have like internet hooked up to it. It still works and it'll still entertain them. So all right, you guys, that's it. That's all I got for this one. Like I said, if I'm missing anything, or if there's any like little hacks or tips or tricks or anything that you think I should know, please let me know, because we are going to be flying again like in December. So I would love to hear the tips for that trip for sure. And then I will try to report back and let you know like how this went and what was worth it, what was not, stuff like that. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.